Hi and welcome everybody. My name's Ron Saker. This is the first video in the video course I'm going to be doing on the Crossword Express software. It's 100% free to download and the download links just in underneath this video, so you can go and download it and then come back to this video and just go through and see what I'm up to. Now in this software there's over 29 different types of puzzles you can create. I'm not going to go through all of these for you just at this moment. What I'm going to do is I want to show you how you can create thousands of puzzles and their answers in advance of creating your puzzle books, rather than you just trying to create 50 or 100 puzzles and do a book and then come back and create some more and then go back and create some more. You want to utilize the best time and input into creating these puzzles. So I'm just going to do the SIKAKU. I don't know how you pronounce that. Yep, anyway, that'll do. And I'm going to click on Go. Now, before we start using the software, you will find when you've installed it, you have all these folders. And one of the folders is SIKAKU. Double click in there, make sure you create a new folder because you'll probably have sample of these puzzles already created, so just throw them into a new folder so you've got a blank folder to work into, and you'll see why in a moment. So we'll come back to the software and we'll go into build. We're going to start a new puzzle. Now this software actually creates puzzles per day, per month, per year, which is rather weird. So I'm going to show you how to get around all that so that you can actually renumber them all from 1 to whatever number you're going to. So what I like doing is I go in for 1,000 as being the year, 01 being the month, and 01 being the day. You can go in here and create the puzzle name. You can brand it with the author name, with the copyright, puzzle number, puzzle notes, yada yada ying bang. Do all that if you want to. I don't anymore because it just takes up too much space when you're trying to print out your puzzle. Okay, so I just leave it at that. Then we go back in here to the build again, go down to build options. Now, how many cells do we want? How many have we got here? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so that's set at the 9. And you can, change it to go 4 by 4 if you wanted. Okay, well 5 is the lowest by the looks of it. So obviously these are going to be the easier ones to do, and at 9 will be the harder ones to do. Now, so I leave it on 9 by 9. How many puzzles do I want? I always create 5,000, because then what that does is it allows me to make 50 books of 100 puzzles, or 25 books of 200 puzzles. So that's the reason why I always selected 5,000. The first puzzle number is going to be that weird ass number that we made before. Ditch the very difficulty on the 7 day. We're not interested in that. Click OK. That goes back and builds the thing there. And now what you do here is this start building, and you'll see in here it creates the templates of all the puzzles. And I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's actually created the 5,000 puzzles. All right, so that didn't take that long to create the 5,000 templates. So what we're going to do now that those are created is we're going to go into tasks, go to print this puzzle, and what we're going to do is we're going to print out the puzzle first. And where'd it go? There it is, Jose. All right. So leave the left one, top one this is millimeters, so I actually do 4 up in my books, so I do create these quite a bit bigger, but because they are the PNGs are 300 dpi, so you can shrink them without any loss of quality. So if you really wanted to go through and work out exactly the size puzzle, you know, to fit into the size book that you're doing, then fantastic, do that. But I've actually created a software that does it for me, so I don't have to worry now, what was it again. So all I'm going to do here now is that I've got that, is we're going to have a quick look. There's the puzzle that's already generated. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go into export, and we're going to change that again to 5000, and we're going to change this to that weird ass number again, and we're going to leave PNG, and there's the 300 dpi, and the graphic's actually going to be 202 millimeters square, and then we just click on export, and it brings up this dialog box. Don't worry about trying to change, putting it into a new folder. I'm not sure why, but it doesn't work. So we're just going to click on the save. And what we'll do is we'll go into the actual, where the actual exe lives, and that's where it actually prints into the main folder. So when this is finished doing the 5000 puzzles, then we can actually take them out of there and put them into another folder, which I'm going to go and set up now. So, whoops, where is it? Go into here, go into puzzles, and looks like I don't have a folder for it, so we're going to create a folder. And better go back and find out what that weird ass name of it again was. Excuse my mouth. And so, there. So now we go into here and we create another one called solutions. So when the puzzles are completed, we're going to put them into this folder, and then when we go back and do the solutions, then we'll put them into here. And I will stop the video here for the moment, and we'll come back when we've got those 5000 puzzles generated. So be back in a moment. Okay, well, we're still trundling along. We're up to 1127 puzzles created, so it's going to take a wee while, but hey, when it's finished, we got 5000 puzzles. Back soon. Okie dokie, so the 5000 puzzles have made, so we're now going to go in here and copy them all and delete them out of that folder and go into where I created. I thought I had. So let's go back to puzzles. Go into, there it is. And we're just going to copy and paste them straight into there. All right, now that they're all there, we're going to go back into the software. I'm going to get that weird ass number, go into cancel, bring the software up again, and we're going to go to solution, and we're going to go to solution. I'm going to have a look at it. Okay, that's what it looks like. So we're going to go into task, go to export, 5000, same old great number, click on export, click on save, and of course it's going to Where did I put it? Yes, oh, there it is. So we go back into here, and of course that's where it creates the answers. So once we've got the 5,000 answers done, we'll put them into that other folder, and our job is done for the moment. So I'll stop the video and come back in a moment or two. Okay, so now are the 5,000 solutions to the SIKAKU puzzle have been generated. I've copied and pasted them into the solutions folder, and I've just opened up the help on this particular puzzle so we can actually have a quick read there, or actually I'll just leave it there and you can read it yourself. This just tells you what the SIKAKU puzzle is and how it gets, you know, how to solve it. So without further ado, that's how you make 5,000 puzzles and solutions. And there is an automatic way of creating your puzzle books. It's a special software I've written. I will actually show you how it does that in another video. This one was just created to show you how you can generate thousands of puzzles and their solutions, so you can quickly get in there and start making some puzzle books. Okay, well, if you have any questions, just put them in the you know, down in the comments there, and I'll answer them for you as quickly as I can. And there'll also be a link there for you to go and download the this particular software, which is absolutely totally free for you to use. And I look forward to doing some more videos and really getting stuck in and helping you create the puzzles using the software. Now, it's not my software, just I've been using it for a while, so I'm quite used to it. And I've created some software to automate the actual creation of the puzzle books. All right, so without further ado, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel so you can be notified of the further updates to these videos, or you can actually go and join my group at lowcontentresources.com Facebook group. It's not a .com. Let me bring it down into the video. So it's Facebook groups, low content resources, and in there I share a lot of other content resources, totally free ones, and I think you quite enjoy them. And I've also got a lot of stuff I've created that I put in here free for you as well.